Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video let's see another automation script in Maximo. So let's see our script. Here is our script. We will validate if our location is exist in our asset or not, if it's operating asset. Okay, you should add location. So if location is empty, you will raise an error here. So this is our launch point. It's object launch point. Save. Okay. Here we use an asset object. Okay. Here is our event when we save our new asset on add or update. So before saving our asset, we will launch this event. Okay, so let's see our code. It's a sample code. Okay. Here is we import an exception here from Python library. So we get here our status and our location from asset MBO or asset business object here. Okay, then we will validate here if operating as if a status is operating and there is no location here. You could set if location is empty or location is none or not location, simple one. We will raise that exception. We could use here service or we could use error key, error group. Okay, that is our script. We could of course test it from here, but we will go to asset directly. We will create a new asset, test status for example, say 01. Okay, let's try to save it now. Now it will be saved, no problem. Location is read only. Now if we try to change status to be operating, what we will see this exception here. Location required for operating. So what we should do now is we will go to move or modify our asset, select our location here, let's select this one. Okay, we should apply it here to take the effect. Now okay, here we added our location, so let's try to change status to operating. Now it will be changed well. Okay, so that is our script for today. See you there. Thank you.